I uploaded a video a little while back about neumorphism, and I think I should take it up a notch a little. So, in this video, we are going to discuss how to do neumorphism on an advanced level, and we will also make a graphic from it. Hi there, my name is Rosa, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
After launching Photoshop, the first thing that I will do is change the background color. To do that, we will select the color from the color panel. Let's go with this blue color. Press Alt Backspace to apply the foreground color in the background. After doing this, we will be making a color palette that we can use in our design. For that, I'm gonna choose some colors from the color panel. You guys can take any colors that you like. Alright, we have a palette that we can use in our design. Let's name this layer as color. Click on the new layer button to make another layer. Here we will make our shape. It can be any shape of your choice. I am taking the ellipse tool to make a circle. Let's click on mouse and drag while holding shift to make a perfect circle. Make sure to set the fill at null and add a stroke of any color. It does not matter what color you use here. Just make sure that it's a little bit thick. Let's try 8 pixels. I feel that's too much. Let's try 5 or 3 maybe. Perfect. The stroke size depends on your canvas size too, by the way. What I wanna do now is create a new layer and click mask it to the first layer by holding Alt key on the keyboard and clicking between the layers. Then I will take the brush tool, pick a color from the palette by holding Alt and clicking on a color. And now I will paint them here on the stroke. Let's do orange on top left side, or maybe pink. Pink looks better, I guess. I'm gonna take a soft brown brush now, and we will now put other colors in the stroke too. Okay, so we have our colors in the circle. We will now make a new layer under the circle. Let's name that circle something like base or anything you want to name it. This layer at the bottom will be our outer glow. Hold the Ctrl key and click on the box in base layer. This will select the non-transparent contents in that layer. Take any color of your choice from the color wheel. It doesn't matter what color you choose here. Press Alt Backspace to fill that color in the selection. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Reduce the fill to 0 and then double click on that layer. This will open the layer style panel. Now to create a glow, we will click on the effects button and click on the inner glow button. Increase opacity to 100 and color to black so we can see it properly. Now tweak the properties like size and choke according to your needs and canvas size. Remember to keep the blend mode to normal. I am going to adjust the properties a bit more according to my needs and change the color to white before clicking on OK. Now right click on this layer to convert this into a smart object, then make a layer above it. Clip mask it, and now we are going to do the same thing we did before. We are picking the colors with a brush tool and putting them here. This is now giving me a bubbly look. Now we are also going to make an outer glow similarly. To do that, create a new layer, hold Ctrl and click on the base layer. Fill that in by pressing Alt Backspace, Ctrl D to deselect, reduce the fill to 0%, double click on it. This will open the layer style options. Now to make an outer glow, select the outer glow option from the effects drop down menu. First set the blend mode to normal, then opacity to 100, set the spread and the size according to your needs. Alright, I'm happy with this. Let's click OK. Now like the previous one, we will convert this to a smart object. This is really important that you convert these to smart object. Let's rename this as outer glow. Again, make a new layer and clip mask it to this one, and now we are going to add colors to it. Alright, I'm happy with this outcome. This is our new morphic shape, which looks pretty cool in my opinion. So what I want to do now is select all these layers and convert them into a smart object to simplify it. Let's name this new. I'm gonna increase the vibrance of this to give it a little bit of that sweet word pop. I'm also gonna change the background to a more suiting color. For example, let's try this light red color. Let's maybe go with a blue one. No, maybe this will look good. Okay, so this color looks the best in my opinion. Okay, now let's convert these two layers to make a smart object so we don't ruin our effect. I'm renaming this again to new. Let's make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl J and hide the original so that we have a backup. Now we can play with this. Go into filter, click on liquify to open the liquify panel, and we can change its shape here. For example, I want to twist it a little bit. I can do that and change its regular shape to an irregular organic shape. I can use other tools given here to alter the shape of this neumorphic circle according to my taste. Alright, I'm happy with this. So you can see that we have a cool neumorphic shape now that we can use in our designs. Let's once again, for the last time, convert this to a smart object so we do not ruin the shape when we move it. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a design out of this effect and fast forward the process so you guys don't get bored.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As you guys can see how I made a cool looking design by only using this cool effect. You guys can also make designs like these easily if you follow the steps I told you. If you like this video, hit that like button and leave your views in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one.